How's the kettle? Is the kettle okay? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Our engine crane actually arrived the next day, as you probably saw on the Instagram.
Much to our surprise and delight, yeah.
Yeah, so we headed straight over to the workshop to try and assemble that.
Yes, we got a time lapse of that, except the time lapse camera died towards the end, but mostly you can see the process.
Yep.
Hey monkey. And then we carried on prepping the car for removing the engine. Kind of feels like we did a lot and don't have much to show for it, but we'll show you anyway.
There it is. Can't fit it all in. Can you find the cock?
I found the cock, yeah.
That's good.
It's on the other side. Okay, it's coming. It's coming, I can feel it.
Well, I can't see it.
Oh, I saw a drip.
A drip. Was that all that's in there? Brilliant.
That's concerning if it is.
There it is.
Oh, balls.
Wow, it really needed to go.
I'm blind. It's not funny.
Oh.
It's kind of funny. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Right, so that's everything there free. This one should be free. Okay, and then these ones need to come out. Why are all their plugs different? Because that one's come out there. Apparently, we have to grab all of these and give them a yank.
And that's, you just yank it and that's it.
It should.
Well, there you are.
Come free like that. It worked.
So we don't know if we're going to be able to stay in our workshop, as we've arrived this morning and the whole place is, well, leaking onto the car, onto the workbench, onto all the tools. So, yeah.
Onto my laying cardboard.
Onto the laying cardboard.
We're making us look cheap here.
That's where we lay. Together as man and wife.
It's where we shall conceive our first child.
No. Get under the car, you pussy.
No, I don't want to die.
It's on so many axle stands, a jack, it's on wheel dollies, just everything.
It's not enough.
Do you want me to go under?
God no.
Why?
I did. Well, it's very sweet of me that I'd rather I go under than my lovely wife.
Yeah, but I don't care.
To be fair, you're better at going down. Hello.
Too right.
What time's that one?
Your head is not under.
Yeah. I think this bolt might be shearing. Oh no, it's coming out.
Your head is definitely not under.
I don't keep it under there, I'm not crazy. They carry the coolant from the radiator to the engine.
Very clever.
And they're known for rusting, and these look immaculate.
They look sparkling.
So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And like just in general, the underneath the car looks pretty good.
Pretty decent.
I think we're on to a winner with this one. So now we can drain the coolant from those.
Cool.
And
shall we see if I can crawl from this side of the car to the other side?
No!
I'll do it.
I don't want you to.
Give me £100 and I'll do it.
I'll give you £100 not to do it. Ow!
Are you hurt?
Only my pride.
Okay. I bet it's going to get on my face.
Oh, look at that. Like a boss. It's still coming, isn't it?
It is still coming. I don't know why I'm filming it. It's not exactly interesting, is it?
You probably stop now, baby.
I'll stop when I'm good and ready.
Fair enough. Can't agree with that.
It looks like really weak Ribena.
It does. It looks kind of tasty. I can see why.
It looks like summer fruits.
Yeah, I can see why people die drinking it, or animals die drinking it.
I wonder if it's as sweet as summer fruits.
Depends if it's got like Bitrex in it, the most bitter substance known to man.
I'm a woman.
Fair point.
For reference, we are now doing the other side. Oh, nearly went on my face.
That nearly went on my face. There's a lot of fucking coolant in this car. I haven't done the engine drain yet. Look at what fuck was a mid-engine car, seriously.
I know. Why did you even buy this car?
I always wanted one. Because you're a young'un, you like the Mark III.
I'm not a young'un.
Well, you're young enough to prefer the Mark III.
Just because you're an old, dried up old man. So I start recording, you stop doing it.
I don't want the world to see that, that was just for you.
Oh, okay. Then I feel really special.
You should do. There we go, pop that up and then it should.
Wiggle, wiggle free.
And then we just put this back where it came from.
What? What happened?
That's where the hood's meant to catch. It can't because I put it in upside down.
Oh. Well done.
This is why I can't be trusted.
This is why you can't like talk and actually do things.
I was looking at it thinking, I don't remember that being so easy to get to. So which way was it? That way?
Wheeler Dealers was good, wasn't it? The newest
Yeah,
one.
I really enjoyed that.
I love Ant.
Well, he's a sexy, sexy man.
He is a sexy, sexy
That's
man.
not the only reason I enjoyed it. I mean,
The builds were really good as well.
Ed China's a sexy, sexy man. Let's not
Yeah,
forget
I
that.
like Ed. I don't think I could choose out of them two. How tall are you now? 6'5".
I'm like a mini Ed China.
You're nothing like Ed
I
China.
know, he knows what shit like this is doing.
You're more like Mike.
We got to deal with Ed.
Come over there.
Come have a deal with me. Squeeze that metal clip with the pliers. Okay, you might need bigger pliers, I don't know how.
Shit, son.
I believe in you.
I don't believe in me.
Alright, and then slide it back along the tube.
Oh, shit, son. Oh, blimey, these
Yeah,
are bloody good,
that's
isn't
why
they?
they got the leverage. Then you slide it down, because that should be enough.
Yeah.
When you release it. God, my camera work is shit. So, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pop.
Oh, shit, son.
And there we go. Job's a good one.
Job's good, un.
Well done.
Would you prefer an MR2 or an RX-7? There's a choice and a half for you.
MR2.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like, as a car.
You always get so excited about RX-7.
As a car, the RX-7 is unquestionably better. But the MR2 was just like a car of my childhood that I always wanted as a kid. So it's just got that kind of appeal to the RX-7. I didn't know about RX-7s when I was a kid. But I still can't find the engine drain, so that sucks. MR2
Let's have a look at your search history.
engine coolant drain plug. It's like my job in real life. You don't have to know stuff, you just have to know how to Google.
What is your job? No one knows.
Programming. And most of programming is Googling. Drain plug on each of the alley pipe under the radiator. Drain plug on the thermostat housing. The rear facing side of the block. And that looks like thermostat housing, that's on the front of the block. I don't see a drain plug there. And that would just drain onto the engine block, so that'd be silly, wouldn't it? It needs to be the lowest point of the engine. And that does look like it could be a drain plug there. But we'd never get anything out of that, it's too high. We've already drained from lower points than that.
Shit, son.
Right.
Is that all going to fall off?
Probably, so just kind of rest it somewhere. but then just put the bolt back in the hole so we know where it came from.
Imagine how helpful I'd actually be if I'd actually done that course in mechanics.
That'd be awesome. You could like teach me everything.
But I didn't, and I can't. It's a Rubik's to ignition.
Oops.
Hey,
Popping fresh out the kitchen.
there you go.
Mama rolling that body, sipping on coke and rum.
I'm not Yeah, sounds about right.
Right, I think that's all the electrics plugs from under here now.
Coolies.
Shall us put her back on the wheel dollies and push her over
Push
to
her
a
over.
better position?
Let's.
Coolies.
I'm here. Tell us what you did.
Well,
You did a bad.
I cross-threaded the radiator drain plug, which is just plastic. And so now I'm trying to stuff a glove into the hole to stop it leaking.
Does it fit like a glove?
No, actually.
Hello.
Not fitting very well at all. This is the problem. You see those threads there? Is it focused on them?
Yep.
So yeah, plastic plug in a metal radiator. Quite easy to cross-thread, which I did. There's
There we go.
a warning to anyone else doing this. Don't do what I did. And if you do, stick a rubber glove in there and hope that holds. Try to stand. Try to push the wheel towards me. Okay.
The wheel goes just there. That's right.
You sure?
Yeah.
Nice.
Ew.
You just burped.
I didn't. I'm a lady.
You still burped.
I'm a lady. I'm a lady.
Who is attracted to me?
It kind of looks like a rocket, doesn't it? The car.
Yeah. I think I need to replace this length of hose anyway because it's looking like it's been leaking. The fuel lines to take off as well, but we'll do them last because we might need to cut the exhaust off. So doing that with fuel venting would be a recipe for explosion. Recipe for awesome. If any of them are going to piss coolant, it's this one because it's the lowest. This is the last coolant hose. Hopefully it's not full of coolant. Yes, success. I'm going to keep that aimed up. So that's all the coolant hoses. So we still need to do the fuel lines. There's some earths and shit. And then it's like engine mounts, axles, start doing stuff.
Ring the pussy bell. Ding 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 ding.
As you probably saw, I managed to cross-thread and ruin the radiator drain plug. I haven't had any luck finding one, so if anyone knows anyone who has one or has one who wants to sell it to us or, you know, for biscuits, that would be just delightful. Please get in touch through the comments or something.
Yep.
We have another camera over there. We just thought we'd try something new, so hello to that one.
Hang on, I don't think I'm in it.
Whoop. Hello.
The workshop, we don't know what to do about that because it's in quite poor condition.
It seems to be more condensation than leaking. It's just there's a shit ton of it, so hopefully it's just the weather, and as it thaws out a bit, things will be better. So we're going to stay there for now, but we don't know for sure long term.
Thank you everyone that signed up for the Patreon. It was really cool.
Yeah, we did not expect we had another 6 people or something?
I don't know.
It's mind-blowing. So yeah, thank you everyone that's...
Why do you want to watch us?
Not a clue. They don't just want to watch us, they want to pay to watch us. They don't even know. They'd watch us if they didn't pay. They want to pay just for our existence. It's mind-blowing. You people are awesome and crazy. Thank you.
Thank
Weirdos.
you. I don't know if anyone saw the Project Binky's questions, but they just drink any old tea.
Yeah, I was quite surprised to learn that. I thought they'd have a tea preference as two tea-drinking Englishmen.
So we were shocked.
Indeed, because we only drink Yorkshire tea. Only
We
the
do.
best. I have a public service announcement actually, because as you saw,
Oh, what is it?
we were draining coolant, and many small animals, cats and dogs, are killed by drinking coolant. The antifreeze is super poisonous for them. So if you are dealing with coolant, please dispose of it responsibly. If you spill any on the floor, make sure you mop it up.
Lick it up.
Just don't do just ruined my serious moment.
I'm sorry, serious.
It is genuine. It concerns me when our cats go outside. Someone could be draining their coolant, and it's naturally sweet, so animals tend to go and sniff it and lick it, and it can kill them very easily. So.
Is it sweet or bitter? Because you said it was bitter in the footage.
Well, that's what I was just going to get to. You can buy coolant that has an additive that makes it super bitter, so that animals are less likely to drink it. So get that if you can, and just be really careful when dealing with coolant to make sure small animals can't get to it.
What about the larger, like lions and stuff?
If you live somewhere with lions, also be wary of them.
Polar bears.
Yes, if you are changing your coolant in the Arctic Circle, be wary of polar bears that could lick up your coolant. And unicorns, obviously, they like sweet things.
Obviously unicorns, yes.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of unicorns, if I'm honest. Like,
Yeah,
I don't get the whole craze.
Yeah, they're a bit overdone at the moment, aren't they?
Yeah, I prefer dragons.
I don't know what to say to that. It's just cool.
Stop fighting.
Like kittens are fighting?
It's because they're hungry.
Yeah.
We have the best dinner ever. I've made homemade veggie burgers.
Oh, they're so good. Can't wait for them.
I'm a chef at heart. Not really.
You make good food.
I do make good food.
You make good vegetarian food. You see, I'm not even vegetarian, and I eat a lot of vegetarian food because
make
it's
good
just
veg.
delightful. We love our veg.
We definitely love our veg. And I think we'll leave it there.
Sounds good. So,
See you next time.
bye-bye.
Back, back, back. I am going to come. I'm coming.
Hello.
Hey,
Hey, babe.